Alright, so this is my second plunge. It's a lot colder than it was, and I'm sure the water's a lot colder than it was. So let's try and not die. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Alright. Oh fuck. I don't want to do this. Oh, whoops, language. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, I slipped. Oh, that's really cold. Give me the towel. Give me the towel. All right, that's another successful plunge. Oh, God. All right, so I think that was a successful plunge. Although we probably want to do some more research, so I'll follow up with exactly how long you're supposed to stay in there. But if the point of it is to get a shock to the system, we got a shock to the system. And then right at the end of that clip, you could see me falling on my butt. I'm okay. My butt hurts, but I don't think we got any injuries. Once that initial shock wore off, I actually feel pretty good. I'm not really cold. We're back inside, obviously, so it's a lot warmer. But even so, that freezing, overwhelming feeling wore off pretty quickly. So I'll probably do another one of these in another 2 days or so, and we'll keep on checking in and seeing how it feels, and any pool developments we'll also record. And then after I get changed and clothed, we're going to put on that valve that we built out of the moldable plastic, so we'll also see how that's working.